So I saw all the comments on, asking how I did this YouTube intro. And me, I'm gonna give the girls what they want. I'm here. So first thing you're gonna need is Canva, and you're gonna search up YouTube and go to YouTube intro. Then you're going to choose the blank one. Next, you're going to pick your pictures that you want to put on there, and you're going to remove the background of those. Then you're going to just scale them so they're kind of like on top of each other and layered. And then after that, you just put your channel name or whatever. I almost put mine, but put your channel name. Then, after you do that, you got to pick your little font. I use the Playfair display only because I think it looks real cute and aesthetic. Then y'all asked me how I did the whole heart line thing. Yeah. So you're going to go to graphics and just look up line. And then you'll scroll and you'll see the little heart. It's there. But you have to be a pro in order to use it. And it is a little money. But obviously it does some things for you. So in order to get everything to move, you have to animate them. So you'll click on what you want to move. And then you'll scroll over to animate. And then you'll pick on how you want it to animate. Me, I use the wipe. That's how I got it to move from like side to side, look like it's flowing. And then for the pictures, I just use the baseline because it looks like, they're popping up on the screen. It gives it that little oomph. But then you got to choose the direction and the speed to make it all look, real fluent together. Now, for this one, it's really simple. You just put your social media handle and then you go to graphics and look up, TikTok, YouTube.